Hey y'all, we got Al here playing a little music today for the upcoming segment for today. Guess what we're doing? A little bit of happy stuff. Let's see if you can guess what we're making today. I'm gonna slowly pan it. Alright, getting any ideas yet? Any ideas? Any ideas yet? Maybe you got a guess or two? Oh, maybe you figured it out. We're making sangria. I've mentioned that before. My lovely wife Patty will be doing the demo for you. So let's get started and then let's have a cocktail. Good song, right? UB40 red wine. It's totally appropriate. Vino tinto, by the way. Another Spanish lesson. Red wine. Okay, let's roll.
Hello, this is Patty, Al's wife. Since the draft is on today, we're not going to be cooking, so we're going to make Al's favorite sangria beverage. And what we do here in Mexico is we get whatever fruit is available. I have a pineapple that I cut up. I do like to use the core pieces. I don't want them to go to waste, so when I cut up the pineapple, I do save some core pieces to put in. So I'm going to start with that, put some of these core pieces in here, and then I have a few pieces of cut up pineapple. I like the fresh. I don't like canned pineapple. All right, and then I cut up about a half of an orange, and I take that and I squeeze that in there. Sometimes these use apples, but I prefer not to use it today. And then also I have a lime, one large lime or two smaller limes, and I'm going to juice that right into my container here.
I bet you some Key West limes would be, or key limes would be great too in this.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Nice juicer. I love that squeezer.
It's from Amazon, I think.
Amazon, yes, love Amazon. Right now they're still shipping.
Yeah. Okay, so I got the juice from my lime in here.
Oh boy, it's coming together.
All right, now what I'm going to do is the wine part. And Al likes the vino tinto, which is a nice dark red wine. You can also use, if you wanted to, a rosé type. This is the Don Simon.
And by the way, Don Simon is, what is it, 48 pesos?
48 pesos at Sam's Club. It's just about $2.50.
About $2.50 at Sam's Club. I love it. It's delicious. Don't know if they have it in the U.S., but go ahead. They can use it as an alternative.
But this is a 750 milliliter bottle, which is a standard wine bottle size. So I would use this whole thing, but today I'm going to use the Vino Tinto. That's a 1 liter, 1,000 milliliters. So I'm going to use 750 milliliters of that, which is the same amount as is in that bottle of wine. I do milliliters since I was in the medical field, and the milliliters just are easier for me.
Listen to your medical professionals,
yeah,
especially now.
750 milliliters of this, which I have measured out already. This is 500. And then 250 in the other one. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the lemon lime soda. Again, we live in Mexico. This is what we have here. It's mejor sabor, which is better flavor, best flavor. And just your regular lemon lime, Sprite, 7-Up, whatever you want to use. I have 8 ounces, well, a little over 8 ounces, 250 milliliters.
Yeah, and possibly even a grapefruit soda may be good, or a diet version.
Yeah, so I just use that. Then we move on to the jugo de naranja, which is orange juice.
Spanish lesson again for you.
I use the sin pulpa, which is no pulp, without pulp. Use the pulp if you want. Might add a little nice flavor to it. I use 120 milliliters, which is 4 ounces. You can go up a little bit if you want it a little sweeter. Let's add that to it.
Oh, I'm getting excited.
Yep. That I'm going to stir up.
Hold on. This is what I'm concerned about right here. Oh, keep it coming.
He likes everything over ice.
I'm Mr. Ice.
Just so hot here.
Of course, you can of course add ice to it. Of course, mix it and
Right.
serve. I like mine over ice, but you can do how you want to. Chill it. Of course, we put the remainder in the fridge. We don't leave it out. Oh, this is what they call the money shot, right, honey?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, it's a hand blown glass we got in Mexico at a glass factory. They're beautiful and heavy. Oh my Lord. Oh, what are we thinking here? Oh, is this my time?
This is Al's vino tinto sangria. And I suppose you could use white wine too. I've seen white sangrias at restaurants too.
Oh, great idea.
It's
Yeah,
a white wine.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. So am I ready to see how you did? I know it's going to be perfect.
I'll show my face when it's not quarantine time. The hair needs attention. The makeup needs attention. I can't show myself just now.
All right, here it goes. Let me get that red wine song going. 1, 2, 3. It's not a shower day for me, so I'm not showing my face today either. Oh my God, delicious. We're ready for the NFL draft, baby. Oh my God, it's so good. It's perfect as usual. Oh, go Cowboys. I'm a Dolphins fan. And let's just listen for a minute. Oh, I got to have another sip here. But that's it, really. Oh my God. What time is it? It's it's noon. Yeah, it's about noon. Yeah. So it's 5 o'clock somewhere. Probably in the UK or somewhere like that. So we're good. We're good. It's NFL Draft Day. The first sports coming back live. But that's the wrap. Any parting shots there, my beautiful, lovely wife who makes me my drinks?
Drink up, baby.
Drink up. All right, folks. Again, stay healthy, stay safe, social distance. But enjoy life the best you can at this time, and we wish everybody we all come through on the other side of this stronger. So again, our best wishes to everybody, and hope you enjoy.